What's up guys? So this is the third part of Android development tutorial series and we're going to talk about the Android text view. So let's go to the activity main.xml. So we have here already the text view, but if you don't have, you can drag it here and you can have the text view or simply type in the XML text view. So that's it. So it has two uses. It's either displaying information or just grabbing that information. So let's go to activity main to grab that. I'm going to say private text view because it's basically text view. So I'm going to say my text, and this is how you can get the text view to our Android class, our Java class. You just need to get the ID, find view by ID. That's how you can get. And r.id dot and the ID of the text view. So what is the ID? It's text view and semicolon. So I'm going to display our text view in the logcat. There's a lot of ways to display it, but I'm gonna use the logd. It means the log.debug. So the tag it simply says text view. And here is the message or the text. Here you will add your text view. So I'm going to say my text dot to string because you need to convert it to string to display to logcat. So let's run it. Initializing. So I select Nexus, click OK. So our emulator just opened. We can see the text view in the logcat. To debug. So let's search the tag text view. Oh, why it didn't get? I'm sorry, I forgot that get text method and to string. Let's run it again. So here you can see the text view and its value text view. Also you can change the text size of our text view. I'm gonna change it to maybe 32 sp. So it changed. And the color, text color, you can use the built-in color in Android. Background light, darker gray, but I'm gonna grab some color in the color hunt.co. So it uses with hexadecimal color, and don't forget the hashtag when you will use the hexadecimal color. So that's it. Guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe in our channel, and thanks for watching. See you on the next lesson.